Hello guys, me and Christine are on the way. We're almost to Universal. It's been a long ride because of the traffic this morning, but I'm so ready. We probably got like 4 hours of sleep last night, I feel like, but you know, just kind of threw on some makeup, refreshed the hair. Got some Starbucks this morning. So yeah, I don't have too much energy today, but I am excited to go to Universal and mostly just to see the Super Mario World. I think it's gonna be really cool. I think it's their 1-year anniversary now. They opened up last year. And I've just been seeing all the videos on Instagram and I'm like, I have to go to this. It looks so cool. So I know they have one ride in the Super Mario part and then a little cafe, which I'm gonna try to get a reservation for. So we did the hour early entry to Super Mario. So that's the only part that will be open, because apparently if you come too late, then you can't get like a reservation for the cafe because it fills up really fast and you have to be in the park to make a reservation. So that is the plan. I'm excited for the like Mario Kart type of ride as well, because Mario Kart was my jam growing up on the Nintendo 64, so that'll be fun. And yeah, we'll see what else we kind of get done today. I think we're trying to probably leave by 1:30 because it's supposed to start raining around 2. So we'll see. I did bring my umbrella. But yeah, I'm excited to go to Universal California. I haven't been here since high school. That's been years, like 2008 or 9 maybe is when I went. So I think a lot has changed since then. I know they have a little Harry Potter world too. And I want to find like a cute little, I want like a Hufflepuff sweatshirt from Harry Potter Land. I just wore this one today that I feel like I've been wearing the past couple days because it's so cold here lately. It's like maybe low 60s today and probably colder when it starts raining, but we're almost to Universal. So I'll see you guys inside. We made it. Trying to figure out how to get in.
Gates everywhere.
Yes. Here's a little sneak peek. You can kind of see the Mario World from here. I'm trying to get there as fast as I can so I could go get the Toadstool Cafe reservation. But I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, here it is, you guys. We're going in the little tube. How cool. Make our reservation. Hopefully there's a good spot. Alright, so there's plenty of times. I chose the 11 o'clock, which should be good, but let's go check out the world. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on. We got Peach's Castle over there. Oh my gosh, the piranha plants. I hear coins and POW blocks going constantly. So cool. So I think they just have one ride, but I saw it wait for something else. I'm like, what is that? I don't know. There's just so much to look at. Oh my gosh, the spiky guy. I don't know their names. We got Bowser's Castle, the Womp blocks. Oh my gosh. I guess you can buy these power bands and like play different games in the park on your phone. And I think it works with like the different question blocks to get, I don't know what you get from it, but I don't know, just something kind of fun to do while you're in the Mario World. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Christine said she might get a band, so we'll see. Alright, so I think we're gonna go on the Mario Kart ride. It's only a 20-minute wait right now since we have the early access, so let's go check it out and see what it is. I really don't know. Oh look, Christine got our pins. These are the 1-year anniversary pins that they're giving out for free. Oh, this is Yoshi's Land. I love Yoshi. Are we going in Bowser's Castle? I think so. This is decorated so cool inside. the ride. There's so much to look at. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog the ride just because I kind of want to experience it for the first time and I don't know exactly what it does or how thrilling it is, so I probably won't vlog the ride, but hope you guys enjoy all the castle, inside Bowser's castle views. We got off the ride. I was definitely not what I expected, but it was kind of fun, but I was also very confused at what we were supposed to do the whole time. Anyways, we had to like put on these like 3D glasses and I thought the ride would go a little bit faster and you try to like get coins, but I guess you need kind of that power-up band to do that, so whatever. But I don't know, it was cute, but I kind of expected more, you know? So here's the different power-up bands that you can buy. We decided to check out the little gift shop here. I see a lot of people wearing these fun little hats. They have like a toad hat, some Princess Peach headbands. These headbands are too cute. I love these little mushroom ones. That is adorable. And the Yoshi, so cute. Again, I got Boo here and Mario and Luigi. Alright, so we left Mario World to do some other rides. We have an hour before our lunch at Toadstool Cafe, but we're just kind of checking everything out. We're in the Jurassic area here. They have this cute little snack bar. I might grab a drink here. I feel like I need something to settle my stomach a little bit. We just went on Transformers and it was very jerky, but it was fun. I really wish I could do Jurassic World today, but I am not wanting to get soaked today. I think it's like the last drop you get drenched, but I haven't seen it since they updated it. But I don't know, it's probably gonna be a pass for today. Anyways, I might just find a little snacky snack here and then continue on. They have the Princess Peach soda, Mario strawberry soda, and the green apple, which I definitely want Princess Peach, I think. They also have some different popcorn buckets too, which is kind of fun. Okay, so Christine got the Princess Peach. I decided to get the strawberry one, which looks delicious. And then she got some popcorn as well, just for a little snack here. So basically, I think it's just a strawberry soda with some vanilla ice cream in it, which is kind of fun.
Mine has peach bubbles at the bottom.
Oh, cute.
Pure strawberry.
Like strawberry puree or something. I mean, it's not gonna melt as fast today, but I'm trying to mix it up. But it's pretty good. So I think we're gonna do the mummy ride next because it's right across from us. And then it should be about time to get in line for lunch. I remember I did this ride once, years ago, and I didn't think it was too scary. So we'll go on this one and hopefully it doesn't make me sick. Okay, the mummy ride was definitely fun. I forgot it goes backwards though, but it's really fast. But I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it.
Her focus goes at this point off to the side. Now there's nobody over here for a moment, so that's why she's got her eyes over here on you. Something's changed. Focus, girl. Blue, focus.
Alright, so we're here for our reservation at Toadstools. We're just a little bit early to check in. We're looking at the menu. I'm excited. But yeah, I think you check in and then you have to wait again in line for an open table. So it does take a little bit. So we got our table actually fast because we kind of just sat like 10 minutes before we were supposed to go in, and then they call it like your time. And so we just went to the front of the line and we got sat right away. So we actually didn't have to wait, which I thought we would. So we'll see. I guess I didn't really need a snack then, but yeah, we got next to this cute little moving sign thing. And you just order your food up front, and I guess they bring it out to your table and they see it. Also, Christine got the special honey lemonade, which I think also has boba in it too. Cute.
Boba from bed.
So yeah, I got the spaghetti. I don't know, that's what sounded good to me. I love spaghetti, so we're gonna try it. I'm excited. Anyways, here's what the inside looks like. It does have quite a bit of seating, it seems. The reservations were already fully booked by like, I feel like 9:30. Oh, there's Bowser's ship. It's coming! So Christine got her food. She got the short rib, which looks really good. It has goat cheese. Is it mashed potatoes or no? I don't know what that is. And then she got the cute Princess Peach cupcake, which I'm very confused because they're like, oh, sorry for the wait. I guess they're talking about mine because mine's not here yet, but we haven't waited that long. I feel like we've only waited like a 10 minutes, so maybe it's supposed to be quick once you get in or something like that. So I guess maybe I get an extra dessert. We'll see. Here's our extra dessert we got. I guess maybe I'll eat this later tonight. It's a huge cupcake. All right, got my food. Christine's already done with her main entree, but she got her big cupcake here. So I just got the spaghetti, the fire flour spaghetti. It has the fire flour on it. Yummy. Spaghetti is just one of my favorite foods. So I was excited they had that. And then look how cute. The tiramisu is a little question block. It has also a fire flour on it. This looks delicious. The spaghetti, very good. But I guess it has like a mild spice to it, which I guess makes sense since it's like a fire flour one. But I thought it was really good. The last one has mushroom in here for Toadstool. But yeah, I guess the fire flour is edible. Not the best, just like a weird cracker. But no, the spaghetti is really good actually. Bowser's coming again. But I tried the tiramisu. It's kind of like frozen. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. But I don't think it's thawed all the way. Alright, so I stuffed my cupcake in here. I really liked my spaghetti a lot. This was really cute and fun, and definitely I think worth doing if you do come here, but make sure you get early access and run to get a reservation as soon as possible. Like first thing, that's what you want to do. But overall, I enjoyed it. The dessert is okay. I'll try my cupcake later, but I don't know, I liked it, and the food came out really quickly. It was enjoyable. I know more people have to end up waiting probably before they get in, but we didn't have to wait for some reason. We're leaving Nintendo World. It was fun. The food was good. It's so small though, I feel like there's not like a lot you can do. But overall, it was really cute. I think we're gonna go see if we can do the backlot tour thing before it starts raining. And I wanna go to the Harry Potter world just for a little bit as well. And then we'll probably try to head out before 1 or 2, we'll see. Look at this gorgeous view. With the mountains in the background and the city. So pretty. We're just heading up all the escalators to do some of the upper part of the rides. Alright, I think we're going to do the studio tour. We're going by the Krusty Land, Simpson stuff, which we're not going to do today, I don't think. Christine said it makes her sick, so we are definitely not doing that. I'm trying to find a bathroom. And then, yeah, we're going to do the studio backlot tour, which kind of takes you through their back area, because they actually do film some stuff here. What is it? Oh, there's Hogwarts.
The Ford Anglias from Harry Potter. You'll even see cars from the original trilogy of Jurassic Park movies. The gyrosphere from The Lost World in 2015. And my favorite picture car on this road is not a car at all. It's a military vehicle. It's a Bradley infantry fighting vehicle. It looks like a tank. Would you believe that tank is mostly made out of aluminum framing, and all of the armor plating around that tank is nothing more than sheets of plywood, expertly painted by the art department. You might want to roll video and take a look to your left, because I've got 10,000 gallons of water coming down right now. If you're in part of the water's going to come right in. Roll cameras. All that water reminds me of after the bathroom.
It has started raining now, just sprinkles. I might walk through Harry Potter world real quick, and then we're probably gonna head back soon. We're so exhausted, ready to take a nap. I really love the studio tour. I think that's so fun. It does take like an hour or so, but you get to kind of see some of the old sets from certain movies and see where they film like some things like the voice and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend it. It's one of my favorite parts of Universal. If you're wondering what we've been doing the past few hours, it's been a whole lot of not much. Actually, we got home from Super Mario whatever in Universal and we both felt like crap, and we had like the longest Uber ride back, and you know, we just did not get enough sleep last night. We knew this was gonna happen. So yeah, we kind of just took a nap, relaxed in the room, and it's been raining all day anyway, so there's really nothing else we could do. It's calmed down for a little bit, so we're doing our last stop at Downtown Disney again. I want to get some goodies to bring home, some like bakery stuff. I always have to bring home Disney Rice Krispie bars. These are my favorite. And a caramel apple. So we're gonna grab that. Maybe check out the store one more time before we leave tomorrow. But yeah, I got my glasses on and everything because I just had the worst headache, but now I'm feeling better. We went to Panera, which was like across the street from our hotel, to get some quick dinner. And yeah, that's about it. Kind of uneventful. So hopefully this vlog turns out good. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll show you guys inside the bakery and we'll see what kind of treats they have because they had some really yummy looking stuff the other day. So here's me ending the vlog. I know I look crazy right now with my pimple patches on, but I did want to go ahead and film a little end clip. I had so much fun. This is my last of the California vlogs. I did film 2 Disney vlogs already that are up on my channel. I had a blast at Universal. I wish I could have stayed there a little bit longer, but yeah, it pretty much rained the whole rest of the day. So I'm glad we got back when we did, but it was so fun to finally check out Mario World. If you do plan on going, I definitely recommend getting the early entry. It's a little bit more, but you have the park a little bit more to yourself and you can kind of do everything that first hour, get your Toadstool reservation, and then do some other fun stuff at Universal. But I hadn't been to the California one in so long, so that was really fun to do. I actually am going to the Orlando one probably this summer. One of my friends and I, we want to do a trip together because she's never been, and they have a better Harry Potter world because they have like 2 Harry Potter parks, and I think they're making even more stuff like next year, which is crazy. They're doing some Epic Universe Park, which I'm curious to hear more about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.